Hello everyone, I am Ojas and today I will be giving you a walkthrough for the project that I have developed. So the project is called Artha.ai and it's an LLM agent application that will give you real-time financial data, insights and analysis. So you can get the stock information in the financial statements or any options data information and also check out holders and recommendation. So regarding the tech stack, for frontend, I have used Next.JS, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Vercel AI SDK. And for the backend, I have used FastAPI, and for the agents, I have used Langchain and OpenAI GPT 3.5 and 4 models. I have also deployed the frontend on Vercel and the backend on Render. For the database, I am using SQLAlchemy for the ORM and Supabase for database to store chat session and messages and also for OAuth authentication. So let's go through the demo. So you can get started with Google and after logging in, you can see the chat message histories in this panel and you can directly start asking anything regarding to get financial insight. So give me stock info for Tesla. So in the backend, it will make calls to get the stock info, the company info, and all the relevant data for Tesla, and it will summarize and give you the information. So you will get the company overview, some financials data, the analyst recommendation, and the metrics. And I'm using conversation buffer memory in the backend, so the context of the conversation is also maintained. So if I just ask give me news, it knows I'm asking the news for Tesla and it will fetch all the latest news along with the links. I can also get recommendations. Again, it knows that I'm asking about Tesla and will fetch the recommendations. So I have two plans here. One is a free plan with 10 GPT 3.5 calls and premium with 15 GPT 3.5 calls. Currently, the subscriptions are integrated using Stripe and it's currently in the test mode. So that's the reason why the low GPT-3 calls. So I'm currently in the free tier and I have already exhausted all my API limit. So if I try to ask a new question, it will it will give me the API call limit reached. So I can now upgrade to the premium version. Since it's in the test mode, you can enter the card information as 424242. And once the payment is successfully done, I will be redirected back to my application and I can start with any conversion. So give me news for Google and I can get the data for my query. Also, I can rename my previous chat conversations so that it will be easier for me to track and go back to any chat. So I can go back to Apple and ask for the recommendations and it will continue the conversation. I can also delete any previous conversation as well. So that's it for the features of my application. I think this project provided me a great experience in developing LLM agent applications using Next.JS, Vercel AI SDK, Langchain, and FastAPI. Also, I got an experience in creating an end-to-end software application that is right from development to deployment. I hope you like the demo and feel free to provide recommendations or suggestions in the comment section. And thanks for watching the entire demo.